Little audience. He's made it.
Oh my word! Afro cry! Oh my god!
Look how big he is when you think.
I know.
How did he even fit inside the egg?
It's crammed into that little egg.
Oh my god!
That's
Hello,
enough,
little
isn't
dude! Wow! Did someone want to go get Sarah?
Don't tell Sarah, we're doing it
It's going to
now.
stay in there till its wings dry.
Yeah, when it's wings dry.
Oh!
At least
Oh, bless
This is absolutely amazing.
Hello. Hello.
Oh my gosh! Oh! I've been here for like 25 minutes.
I love how